Alright, I'm not too sure if I've got a coin. I think I have, because there's a circle. I've just literally got to find it. Morning everyone. My daughter's just moved into a new house and she's asked if I would like to metal detect her garden. I'd be a fool to say no. My machine of choice will be the Deus 2 today. So let's see what we have. But anyway, here's the garden. Can't moan at that. Grass all the way to the end. So let's have a look, see what we find. Enjoy. See at the first hole. If no holes, see you at the end. See you later. Bye. First hole was a 70. And just there is a 20p piece. So that's the first hole. 20p piece for the Deus. Deus 2 rather. Alright, second hole. There's a buckle. I don't think it's too old. There you go. Buckle. And that come up as a 85. 85, 86. And there you go. Right, third hole. 85 as well. And we've got an old round pound. Old round pound. Right, just turfed it out. I had another 72. I think it's another 20p. I've just seen a coin of some sort. Oh, there it is. Oh no, it's not 20p. What's that? Ten centimes. So it's a French coin, I think. Yeah, French coin. 10 centimes. Oh, another hole. I think I've got another coin. I think. I've not dug it out yet. I think there's a coin just there. Yeah, there it is there. We've got a pound, another pound. Another old pound. Another 84, 85. Well, I thought we was onto a big coin then, but it's not. It's ended up being a button. So there you go, look. It's got the shank on it. It's a nice big button. And quite a way down as well, quite a way down. So if I just put the trowel in, so it comes to the collar, so it comes to the full depth of the blade. Alright, I've just got this. I don't know how old it is. It's flat one end. Don't know. Or an old buckle. Haven't got a clue. There you go. Oh, we just got a 67. We've got another coin. 50p. This time it's a thin one, so it's suspendable. Sorry about the noises in the background. It's my grandchildren playing now with their metal detectors. Alright, since I last had you on, I think it was with the 50p, I found these two items. So, a bit of copper, possibly to do with a hose, and I haven't got a clue what that is. So if you know, it's probably just a handle of some sort, but if you know. And then I've just got this. I think it's another button or something. Oh, it's not a button, but it's, oh, it might be a wheel. Oh yeah, it's a wheel off of a child's car. There you go. It looks like we've got a bonnet of a toy car, little bonnet. Don't know what from, which toy car, but yeah, it looks like a bonnet. Oh, it's just got another buckle. Again, I don't think it's that old. But yeah, another buckle. See the teeth on there where the belt locks in place. So there you go. Alright, I'm not too sure if I've got a coin. I think I have, because there's a circle. I've just literally got to find it. Full of flying ants. But yeah, there's a circle there. So I would say that there's a coin in here. Oh, there's a marble anyway. Yeah, there it is there. What have we got this time? We've got a penny. We've got a penny. I had a few coins. There's a penny. Oh, I don't know if you can see. We've got another penny. Another penny. Oh, there you go. 1 pence. Alright then, we've just found another coin. This time at 2 pence. I know they're only small dominations, but yeah, at 2 pence. And there you go. Another hole, another wheel. So it's the second wheel, the same, in the same area. So maybe we might find the rest of it. There you go. Right, just done another hole, and we've got another 2p. There you go. It was in 1991. There you go. Finally found a Range Rover. There you go. Been in the ground a little while. One Range Rover. Right, it's got another buckle. Again, I don't think it's very old. But there you go. Another buckle. Look, just found a little motorbike now, or part of a motorbike. Don't know what type it is, but yeah, a nice little toy motorbike. Oh, I just found another coin. I think it's a 5 pence. I'm not too sure. Very small. I think it's a 5 pence piece. I don't know actually. Might not be. If I clean it up and I get an idea, then I'll let you know. But I'll just put some water on it anyway, and I'll get back to you. All right. Cleaned it up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. It's an 1/2 pence, so it's an old 1/2 pence. Yeah, I can see you. Yeah, you like my new haircut? I think that's normal now. Very, very short. What can I say? I nearly forgot to do an outro. Thank you very much to my daughter for allowing me to metal detect on her land, her garden. We found a few coins. In fact, we found £2.76, a decimal 1/2 pence, and also a 10 centime coin. So chuffed to bits. Toys wise, we found a Vigilance, so that's a Corgi Vigilance, which is a police Range Rover, dated around 1968, 1970. So it's body only. We found a motorcycle with no front end, so it's from the tank backwards. That was a Honda Bentley 125 motorcycle. So again, that's dated around about 1963 to 68. I will put a picture up with regards to that in the actual video, so you would have already seen that. A couple of other bits of tractor chassis, some wheels, bonnet, a roof of something as well. 3 buckles, I would say dated around about 1920 to 1970-ish. A circular possible buckle, but it could be horse tack as well. But it's basically round, but there's a flat edge which is tapered, and you can see some workings on it. So basically where someone's filed it to make it, I suppose. It looks like it's made of bronze. So potentially it could be medieval. I don't know. A little bit of rubbish, a little bit of lead, which I thought was possibly a pot mend, but it's not. I think it's just the remnants that's left in the pot after someone's used it. But yeah, just a little bit of rubbish, so chuffed to bits. If you've got this far and you really enjoy my videos, but you don't subscribe, please do, because there's plenty of content out there. And also I've got the playlists as well for different machines, whether it's beach, land, etc. as well. Apart from that, I really appreciate your time. I would normally point to a hat. I haven't got a hat on yet. That hat will be arriving next week when I go to Wales for a metal detecting weekend out with Dragon Detecting and Hugh Davis from Celtic Metal Detecting. So I'll be picking that up. But yes, I'm now sponsored by Dragon Detecting. The code will be along here somewhere, and it's dragondetecting.com/ops10. So that's dragondetecting.com/ops10 to get 10% discount on most items. Not everything, but most items. If you don't want to use my code, it's not a problem. There's plenty others out there, so it's no issue. But yeah, I'm now sponsored by Dragon Detecting rather than LP. I don't know whether I could have kept both. I'm not too sure, but LP have done me no harm, so there's no issues in that sense. Okay, so I've left on my own accord because I enjoy the interactions with Dragon Detecting and the Dragon Detecting family. So we all get on really well, and I think personally it was probably the right move. But yeah, so if you've got this far, thank you very much. Much appreciated. See you on the next, wherever that may be. I'm hoping this weekend to be on a beach. If I'm not on a beach, then I'll be relaxing. But next weekend, I'll definitely be in Wales. I have a knackered ankle from helping my daughter move. But yeah, apart from that, I hope to be on the fields somewhere or on a beach somewhere soon. Thank you very much. Bye.